Hi, this is the how to use video for the Nuwave Brio Plus 7 quart. Let's start with the on-off function. Press on-off button the left side to turn on. Press on-off again to turn the unit off. The default temperature and cook time is 350 Fahrenheit, set to 15 minutes. Press the start button on the right so you can cook with default settings. If preferred, the default temperature and time can be adjusted for your future needs and convenience. To change the default temperature and time, turn the Brio on and set the temperature and time you desire. Then, press and hold the start button. The Brio will beep twice, indicating the default has been changed. Beware, the new default settings will remain even when the Brio is turned off or unplugged. The temperature control function adjusts the cook temperature precisely to your cooking needs. To change temperature, press the up or down arrow on the left to increase or decrease temperature between 50 to 400 degrees. You can adjust 5-degree increments by each press. The timer can be adjusted to customize cooking duration based on your recipe needs, giving you flexible control over how long your food cooks. To change the time, press the up or down arrow on the right to increase or decrease time in 1-minute increments up to 99 hours and 59 minutes. Hold the arrows down to adjust in larger increments. Be aware, the maximum selectable cooking time differs depending on the selected cooking temperature. The Brio offers 3 different wattage levels tailored to different settings. 700 watts for dorms, RVs, and campers, 1500 watts for small kitchens and apartments, and 1800 watts for maximum power and efficient cooking. To lock the wattage, press and hold watts for 2 seconds. The unit will beep twice, indicating the selected wattage has been locked in. Repeat to unlock it. Beware, wattage lock remains active even when the unit is turned off or unplugged. The notification will inform you when it is time to flip your food halfway through cooking. Before beginning your cooking cycle, press the bell icon. The icon will flash, indicating the notification function has been selected. Halfway through the cooking cycle, the display will notify you when it is time to flip your food along with 3 triple beeps. When the cooking cycle is finished, the Brio will beep 3 times and display End. The Brio Plus 7 quart is designed to cook food between 6 different cooking functions. On the control panel, you can make your selection by pressing the cooking function desired and adjust it to your needs. Otherwise, each cooking function has its own default temperature and time. Air fry will cook at 350 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Bake at 325 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Roast at 350 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Dehydrate at 100 Fahrenheit for 2 hours. Toast at 400 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. And reheat at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. The lock function helps prevent accidental changes to your settings and adds an extra layer of safety to the cooking process. To lock the settings, press Air Fry plus Bake for 1 second and will beep twice. Lock will appear in the display. Repeat to unlock the Brio. The mute function is designed to meet your need for quiet operation. To mute the unit, press Bake for 1 second. The unit will beep twice. Repeat to unmute. The preset function offers 100 pre-programmed time and temperature settings that automatically begin with preheating, saving you time on manual adjustments. These are listed in the Quick Start Guide and Recipe Book. To use preset, press Preset once, number 1, and the preset name will scroll on the display. Use the up-down arrows on the left to select the preset number for the recipe you want to make. Once selection is made, press the up-down arrows on the right once to display the temperature and time. Press Preset to go back to Preset menu so you can adjust the number. In addition, You may also input your own presets and save them for future needs. You can create a custom preset from one of the first 100 presets, or you can create your own. However, only user presets can be saved. There are 50 user presets from 101 to 150. To make your own presets, press Preset twice. 101 will appear in the display. Use the up-down on the left to select Custom Preset. Once selection is made, press the up-down arrows on the right one time to display the temperature and time and adjust to your desired settings. Press and hold Preset to save your custom settings. The Brio will beep twice and show the preset number and save on the display. You can also create a custom preset from one of the first 100 presets. Press Preset once, and the first preset name will scroll on the display. Use the up-down arrows on the left to select the preset number for the recipe you want to adjust. Once a selection is made, press the up-down arrows on the right once to display the temperature and time and adjust to your desired settings. Press Preset twice, and then use the up-down arrows on the left to select the user preset from 101 to 150 that you wish to save the new adjusted setting. When the preset number is selected, press and hold Preset. The Brio will beep twice and Save will appear on the display. You may now choose your saved preset anytime. Press Start to begin cooking. The preheat function heats the Brio to the set temperature before the timer begins, ensuring the best cooking results. To preheat before cooking, turn the Brio on and press Preheat. Press Start to begin the cooking cycle. Preheat and set temperature will flash, indicating the Brio is preheating. When preheated, the Brio will beep twice and display ready. A 10-second countdown begins, indicating to add food. Be aware, even if food is not added when prompted, the unit will still begin cooking after the beep. The Brio can also be set to automatically preheat prior to cooking. This will have the Brio begin preheating once you turn the unit on. To set up auto preheat, press and hold Preheat. The Brio will beep twice, indicating the auto preheat has been turned on. Auto preheat remains enabled even after turning off or unplugging.
Nuwave, trusted name in home cooking and appliances.